Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese for your nachos. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of your favorite cheese, half a cup of milk, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. For the best results, I recommend using sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack. Make sure to shred your cheese finely. This helps it melt smoothly and quickly, giving you that perfect creamy texture for your nachos. Now, let's start cooking our sauce base. In a small saucepan, combine your half cup of milk with the 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Place the pan over medium heat. It's important to whisk this mixture constantly. You'll notice it starting to thicken slightly after about 2 minutes. Keep whisking until there are no lumps, ensuring a perfectly smooth foundation for your delicious nacho cheese. With your base ready, it's time for the star of the show, the cheese. Gradually add your finely shredded cheese to the thickened milk mixture in the saucepan. Keep the heat on low and stir continuously. This gentle heat and constant stirring will help the cheese melt evenly and prevent it from clumping. Once all the cheese is fully melted and the sauce is smooth and creamy, it's ready to serve. Pour it generously over your warm tortilla chips and enjoy. Making your own nacho cheese allows for fantastic customization. For a little heat, try adding a pinch of cayenne pepper or a dash of hot sauce. If you prefer an even richer, creamier sauce, a small amount of cream cheese can work wonders. Experiment with different cheeses too, like a blend of cheddar and a touch of smoked Gouda for unique flavor. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, perfect for reading anywhere, as well as other great deals you might enjoy. Get creative and make your nachos truly your own.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.